Welcome back to a new episode of $1,000 Car Guy. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove the interior door panels from a Chevy Suburban, Yukon, or Tahoe. The first thing you need to do is remove the panel that surrounds the door handle itself. Go ahead and take a flathead screwdriver or a thin piece of plastic, potentially like a butter knife would work well for this. Bring it inside and pop it out. Once you get all the clips popped out, rotate the assembly until you can slide it past the door handle. Put this in a safe place. Up next, we're going to remove the switch panel cover. All you do is pry up. Normally these are super weak. They're only held in by some little metal clips. Just pull up gently and it should come right up. Behind that, you will find the switch. Push down on it, wiggle it back and forth, and it should come right out. Next up, we're going to have two 7mm bolts to remove. One is located inside the door handle here. The other is located here underneath the switch panel. I prefer to use a long extension on a deep socket to get this out. Otherwise, any 7mm will do. Inside here is where the deep socket really comes into play, or a long extension. Power tools also make it easier. I can already feel the door sagging a little bit as the screw backs out. So I'm just lifting up slightly on the door handle so it doesn't just all fall down. Okay, you can go ahead and move this clip inside. In one motion, you lift straight up. Watch your door handle. You will also have some electrical connections behind your door. This model happens to have a heated seat connector as well as these speakers. For this connector, you can push up on the pin and pull out. And for the door speaker, it's much of the same. The door speaker you actually push down. We also have an interior light that must be removed. Similar fashion, just push down on the connector and pull out the wires. Once the connectors are off, we can remove the entire panel. And that's it, we've got everything off. Now you can get to your speaker or your door handle or whatever you needed to get to, maybe a window motor. That's it. Thanks for watching this episode. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, if you enjoyed this episode or it helped you out, please give it a like. Consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us out. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. Thank you. See you next time.